Today we're taking a look at some of the most clever kitchen tools on Amazon. From gadgets you didn't know existed to time-saving tools you wish you'd bought sooner, here's everything you need to modernize your cooking. As usual, all product links are in the description below. Effortlessly peel fruits and vegetables with this electric peeler, designed to handle up to 3 items per minute. Its one-touch operation allows for easy thickness adjustments, making it perfect for apples, potatoes, peaches, and more. Slicing onions evenly can be tricky, but this holder makes it effortless. Its stainless steel forks grip the onion securely, keeping your hands safely away while you slice. Perfect for tomatoes, lemons, and even meats, this tool helps you achieve uniform cuts with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures a steady grip, and when you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher for quick cleanup. Homemade donuts without the hassle? Yes, please! Whip up fresh mini donuts in minutes. Whether you like them glazed, filled, or covered in sprinkles. Just pour in your favorite batter and let the magic happen. Perfect for family fun, last-minute cravings, or sweet surprises. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick surface. This versatile breakfast machine lets you make 4 sausage rolls at once, perfect for busy mornings or snack time. Its non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup, while the heat-insulated handle makes it safe to use. This versatile electric cheese grater features 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, making it perfect for slicing, shredding, grating, and grinding a variety of ingredients. With a powerful motor, it quickly handles everything from cheese to breadcrumbs, saving you time in the kitchen. Its user-friendly one-button control and larger inlet enhance efficiency, while the quick prep makes it a must-have for busy, health-conscious cooks. Craft coffeehouse drinks at home with this milk frother and steamer. The hot milk froth mode heats and froths milk to creamy perfection, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Made of durable stainless steel, it offers reliable performance. Cooking just got a whole lot easier with this dual-function oil sprayer. Whether you need a fine mist for salads or a steady pour for grilling, this bottle gives you total control. The transparent, sturdy design lets you keep an eye on the oil level, while the wide mouth makes refilling mess-free. Plus, no more greasy hands. Just precise, even coverage for every dish. Practical, clean, and effortless. Cooking and baking just got easier with this sleek kitchen scale. It's compact enough to store effortlessly, yet precise enough to measure ingredients with accuracy. The backlit LCD screen ensures easy reading, while the tare function makes weighing multiple ingredients a breeze. Plus, the stainless steel surface wipes clean in seconds. A simple, reliable tool that takes the guesswork out of meal prep. Tired of pounding meat the old-fashioned way? This stainless steel meat tenderizer makes the job effortless with ultra-sharp blades that create tiny channels for faster marination and juicier results. The one-piece, non-slip design ensures easy use. Just press down and the blades retract automatically. Built to last, rust-proof, and dishwasher safe, it's a game-changer for steak, chicken, and more. This bread maker combines quality and convenience with 12 pre-programmed options, ensuring perfect loaves every time. Choose your desired crust shade from light to dark and bake up to a 2-pound loaf. The vertical design saves counter space, and the removable kneading paddle makes cleanup a breeze. With a viewing window and interior light, you can keep an eye on your bread as it bakes.